Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are using Viber on your iPhone and want to block someone for privacy or other reasons, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to block someone on Viber in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, find the Viber app on your iPhone. Now click on it. Now that you are on the Viber home screen, find the chat that you want to block. You can either scroll down or find their name on the search bar. Once you locate the chat, just tap on it. Once you are in the chat, tap on the person's name or profile picture at the top of the screen. Now click onto the option of chat info and settings. Scroll down till the end. Now you can see the block this contact. Simply click on it. Now you have successfully blocked this person. If you want to unblock the person, simply do the same process again. I hope that you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.